exciting stuff right there. Today, the weather's taking the headline when it comes to what to expect. We do have a Storm 5 weather alert that will kick in this afternoon, going throughout evening.
Yeah, so be weather aware for the afternoon hours and for the early part of tonight. And unfortunately, some of the rain chances will hold on into the weekend, especially into Saturday.
Exactly. This storm system, remember how we told y'all it was just very slow to move? Well, because of its projection, it is going to make it quite a splash alert on Saturday. The severe threat pretty low, though, but today is one to watch. Yeah,
so let's show you what is happening right now around the Mid-South as we begin our morning. We are under a partly to a mostly cloudy sky. Sky 5 live right now on the northwest side of town, headed up toward the shutdown in Cheatham County. Will show that at the hour, we've got a little bit of color in the sky here as we get ready for sunrise this morning. Sounds are on the road this weekend down in Georgia. They're back Tuesday with Tail Wagging Tuesday. Right now at First Horizon Park in North Nashville, it is currently 67 degrees for the start of our morning. Now, with another chance for some strong to severe storms, make sure you've got a way to get weather information. Weather Call is a fantastic resource. If you can't get your phone out right now to get this QR code, go to newschannel5.com, click weather. At the top of the weather page are several links. One of them is for Weather Call. You can sign up in English, or if you sign up in Spanish, you will actually get the phone calls in Spanish. So let's get you set up with our Weather Planner Plus as we get ready for the day ahead. Scattered showers and storms, or a Storm 5 alert for the afternoon hours into the early part for tonight. That threat level while you were sleeping was raised up a bit to a threat level 3 for a good part of the area. Damaging wind and hail. Where there's rain, there may be some locally heavy downpours, and then a tornado chance that's not zero, but on the low end for us. Meanwhile, those chances for rain will continue into Saturday and a little bit into Sunday as well. There is a lot going on around the area this weekend. It is Derby watch parties that are happening for tomorrow. Tennessee Craft Fair at Centennial Park. Renaissance Festival. Heather will have a preview of that later today at 11 o'clock on Talk of the Town. But there is that rain chance. A little bit more hit and miss for the rain chances tomorrow afternoon. Good dose of sunshine for Sunday, but a few showers, even a stray thunder shower, not out of the question. And then as we make our way into next week, we'll see some drier weather on the way for us on Monday. But Nikki D, we need to get through later today and tonight before we get into the weekend events.
Exactly. And we never want to strike fear, but we do want you to know what is going on. And as Leland did point out, that severe threat did increase while a lot of us were sleeping. Here's a live look. Sky 5 up and live. Red skies in the morning. Sailors take warning. That is a good indication. Actually, that's biblical too. And it is one that often does indeed come true when it comes to our atmosphere, what you do see in the morning. We are looking to have those showers and storms. The next few hours, looking on the dry side, we'll even have some sunshine out there around lunchtime, which is going to be pretty to see, but also that does indicate a little instability working its way in. So the timing of this system, we're really looking at things to start to pop around 1 o'clock or so to the far west. We'll have a few showers out ahead of the main line itself, but then once that line gets closer, looking to really start to intensify some gusty winds out ahead of it, as well as within it. Overall, today is not going to be complete breezy conditions, but once we get that line moving in, that's when you're really going to notice those gusts upticking. As we get closer into 7 p.m., things are anticipated to move eastward, pushing across the plateau, and then continue to exit as we make our way overnight. Still a chance for a few spotty showers, but then rain chances really start to head back into play as we make our way into Saturday. So this model run is indicating some scattered activity for Saturday morning, but this other one I want to show you has actually been doing a great job as far as day 2 is concerned, and it does have more of a widespread opportunity for these showers and storms. So it's really going to be the forward projection. Does it gain a little speed and momentum to move out, or does it slow down? And technically speaking, things have been slowing down, and that's why rain chances are going to be quite a bit higher for Saturday than initially looked at on Monday. So things do change with this active atmosphere. We are looking at for Saturday a 1 out of 5, some generic thunderstorms. Overall, looking for some areas because of these heavy downpours. I mean, think about how humid it is outside. Some of us could have upwards of 2 inches in some spots over the entire period of time. Highs today, depends on where you are, looking to be into the low to mid 80s ahead of that line, but once you get showers and storms, temperatures will drop dramatically. Storm 5 weather alert today. Rainy, especially tomorrow morning. Some scattered showers and storms, 72. Again, on Sunday, there's a chance for a pop-up afternoon storm, but as far as things are concerned, very low comparatively speaking.
Yeah, then going into early next week, drier for Monday, Tuesday, then some rain chances return heading into Wednesday and Thursday.